Hi, and welcome to ProStar Planet. On this page, you'll find a few things that we do for our clients. For those of you that are do-it-yourselfers, it's a great start of your SEO online ranking for the search engines. The top websites succeed because of organic results. Organic is another word for human interaction or actual clicks to your site from a link that they found useful. Organic results often end with actual buys, visits, or calls. When you have a company that claims to help you with PPC or pay-per-clicks like Google AdWords, they're offering you nothing more than an ad at the top of actual search results. However Google states the success of this, we've not found it to be a good sales result. Therefore, we've decided to work only in the organic realm, meaning that we try to get your business at the top of the page naturally and without trickery. This, of course, gets you more realistic visitors. Here are the numbers. With 100 visits, you should have 1 call. But if you're using trickery or advertising campaigns, for example, they're searching for used cars, but will see ads for your shoe company above the sites for cars, you might get 10,000 views, but you can probably expect no calls. Let's face it, if you're here, then we both know that you're looking to get more bang from the buck on your website coverage. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer, this page is for you. We've taken several websites and broke them down into one easy place for you to get started understanding what the search engines are looking for. And if you're looking for someone to take care of the ugly work, then you are definitely at the right place. Here at ProStar Planet, we do all of the heavy lifting. Simply building a website is easy, but building a site that ends in a sale, now that's on a whole nother level. Thanks for watching from all of us at ProStar. Call us today 256-550-1988 and let ProStar Planet become your marketing agency.